Mark this. There will be terrible times in the last days. People will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, proud, abortion, financial brutal, sex trafficking, drunk, immorality, lovers of God, having a form of godliness, but denying its power.
A crisis is coming and is here in our time and our generation.
Sin and compromise in our nation, our church, and our very lives.
But a revolution is also coming, a light in the darkness.
The greatest revival in history.
God, passionate for transformed people.
To whom will you pledge your allegiance?
You have taken the precious from the worthless and given us beauty for ashes, love for hate. You have chosen the weak things of the world to shame that which is strong, and the foolish things to shame the wise. You are help to the helpless, strength to the stranger, and a father to the child that's left alone. You've invited the thirsty to come to the water, and those who have no money coming by.